Okay, so today I'm going to explain you how this works. So if I want to store collections of marks, so the way you would think, you would say that we could store it student 1 on this marks is equals to 54 and student 2 marks is equals to 76, and you would think this way and so on, but the better way to store them, we could create a list. Yeah, we could create like this: marks equals, and then square brackets. Inside it I would write all the students mark: 80, 70, 60, comma space 97, 100, comma space 55, and comma space 65. And now if I put marks, so this is how it will be printed. It will be in a list format. As I told you, it's a list. Watch this. You could watch it spreading 87, it didn't. But if I want it for, like, I want to store it like this, that there would be a first the student name, then marks, then student name, then marks, then student name, then marks, then student name, then student name, then marks. So what can I do then? To do that, I can use dictionaries. So for dictionaries, I would create a dictionary in which I write marks, student data, school data, and which is equals to, I would use now curly braces. And now inside it I could write my first key, like I could write student 1 and then a colonel, and then I could write any value of it. I could also write marks 78. Okay, I would write this in double quotes, and then I will go down and then paste and paste and paste. No, I want it like this. Student it's highlighting them because I have write the same keys. You would want it, just wait for 2 minutes while I correct them. Student, and now if I do it too, so its line will be gone. Oh, I forgot. I think I would have like how what's given red one. So after everyone, then comma, so that it will know now that the first one is completed, and that's how I will create a dictionary. But I could just store marks inside it. What can I do if I want to store the all the data of it? So I could use nested dictionaries. It means inside a dictionary, and inside that dictionary I could create another dictionary. Like this would be the format. It could be this format. Now I would add this dictionary and turn it over to go below. No, I can add any student data inside it. Name, okay, and name would equals to add its name. This is what I mean by nested dictionaries. I could also use nested conditional statements, like in a if statement I could also use another if statement, and in a list I could use a dictionary, and in that dictionary I could use list, and inside anything I could use anything. Like inside an if statement, if I create a dictionary, and inside the dictionary I create a list, and in that list I could create a tuple. I will explain tuples in the more detail in next video, and also sets. And inside that we could also create set, and inside that again dictionary, and inside that again set. So I can show how much I want, how much things I want. So now I'm just creating name, and first student name could be JI, and I'm just writing it anything. I will use age and colon, and after inside it I could write a key name. Age should be 39. I forgot the comma, and after that I could also add a comma. Name, age, and is pass. I could also create a boolean value, which I also used to, and I could write true, and I could add this percent in the double quotes and come here, and this is how I will create a dictionary. And I could copy this. I would just create for one. You could add more if you want, and that's how I create. Now, how to access dictionary? In this dictionary, I could just print simply print student underscore data. We just want it student data. No, I brought it. You could watch the good. You could watch. There's a key inside the dictionary. There are key names student one, and inside it there's a dictionary till this, and then you could watch a comma to show that it's sent, and then there is a student 2 data, and student 3, and student 4, and student 5 you could watch. Now how if I want just the data of student 1? So I could use this square brackets. Inside I could write student 1, student 2, any data I need. And if I run it now, so the output would be this. But if I wanna enter in this thing, so I can also use another brackets. Inside it I can write a key name. Okay, and now if I run it, so it change the name, and that's how I can go inside and inside and inside. But list doesn't have this type of key. So what can I do for lists? So list have indexes. If I wanna create a list, it's just a simple ordinary list, and I'll just use numbers for this, and from you could watch it's a list. Now how should I access this list? You know that I can use lists and then double quotes, but how to go inside it? What can I do for that? So list has index, as I told you before, so I can add inside it I can write any index. For example, now I'm writing inside it I could write 0. So this would be the first element, because indexing start from the first element 0. First number 0. So if I now print, it would print 3. If I print 1, and now for run it 4. And after that, if I write the outer, so it would give me an error, which would be the list index out of range. watch the word index error list index out of range because there's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11. So the best way the program is okay, I will tell you in the next video because it's a too long video, and if I explain you won't understand it better. So bye, next time, bye.